Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get a loan from Truist Bank. So, first things first, you have to go to the loan section and so that you will be able to learn more about their loans. So, they have plenty of options. As you can see, they have light stream and secured loans. So, if you want to improve your home, consolidate debt, or manage big expenses with a Lightstream loan, they have a unique purpose-based lending solution with low fixed rates and custom loan terms for your needs. So if you want to learn more about that, you will just have to click learn more. And for their home equity line of credit, when it's not the right time to refinance, a HELOC is a great option for cash access. So they have choice of fixed or of variable rates, interest paid potentially tax taxable, and borrow up 89% of your home's value. And for their both and RV loans, they will help you make your adventures possible with both and RV financing that's as easy as your next weekend away. So they have loans available for both marine and RV, and they have fixed rates for the life of your loan and for purchasing you use or refinancing. And for auto loans, whether you're buying new, buying used, or refinancing, they can help you make your decisions easier, and it depends on your location. And Truist will offer secured and unsecured auto loan options. And you will just have to click learn more if you want to learn more about all these loans. So how do you actually do this? What you will have to do is, of course, log into your account and again do the same thing like what we've did earlier. Is you will go to the loan section, and here you should see something like apply now, and again you will just have to choose your loan type. It could be personal, auto, or mortgage, or something like that. So yeah, and there are a lot that you could actually choose from. So you will just have to click apply now again, and then by the way, you may be prompted, and you will definitely be prompted to fill in your personal info, income, and loan details. And after you filled all in out, you will just have to submit your application, and then Truist will review your application, and then you will have to wait for the loan approval, and the funds will be deposited in your account. And yeah, that's basically just how it is. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.